can't see you. Where's Alex? Where's Alex? There he is.
Pull hard, Alex.
Cool. Good job. You want mommy to get in? Okay.
Pull, Alex. Come on, man, you got it.
Pull.
Okay, here we go. Come on, pull. Pull.
Oh, that feels good. You're in a good muscle right there. That feels good. Yeah, that's our home.
Hey, Alex.
Alex, say hi to Daddy.
Alex. Say hi, Grandma.
Say hi.
Say hi, Grandma.
Say hi, Grandma. Say I love you. Here we go. Oh, pull, pull. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Here we go. We're gonna make the big turnaround. Now we're gonna go down. We're gonna go one more time. And is that your home, Alex?
He said no more home.
In front of us.
You're a bossy director. I guess directors have to be bossy, huh?
It looks better if you can see our faces.
Merry Christmas!